Set up a young bird coop. I just changed it to, it used to be 2 4-foot sections. I changed it to 1. It's finally warm enough. All my babies I'm feeding there, little aspar. That's black Hutati, another aspar chick. Another aspar in the back. It's black Hutati, black Hutati. That's that blue velvet. That one against the wall is a Rahani that got scalped. And behind him is 2 more aspar chicks. They're eating on their own. I had them in the basement because it was cold, but it's finally warm enough. So that's that aspar chick white. That's one that got beat up. He looks ratty. And I got that classic blondinette. And there's three trumpeters there. That's black Hutati and a regular. Another Hutati, another one there. Another one up there, another one there, and then another black. Well, this is what I got so far. I got some little youngsters still. I didn't move them, but once they're big enough, I'm going to move them. I'll let these guys settle a bit, and then I'll come out and feed whoever didn't eat. They're not doing much, but at least you know, they won't attack the babies in here, scalp them, and they can wander around the floor and figure out where to eat and everything.